Well, the city and county of Los Angeles taking a new approach to the soaring number of overdose deaths from fentanyl. The idea is to go beyond just drug enforcement. Eyewitness News reporter Josh Haskell is live in downtown LA to explain how.
And this new approach has brought together the DA with local police departments and LAUSD to, focus on prevention and education, not just enforcement. This is the LA County Public Health Department released some alarming figures. New numbers from the LA County Department of Public Health show how the fentanyl crisis has exploded in just 5 years. Fentanyl-related deaths in LA County have increased nearly 14 times from 2016 to 2021. Back in 2016, fentanyl was responsible for just 10% of all drug-related deaths. Last year, fentanyl was responsible for more than half. The DA's office is setting up a working group of law enforcement, prevention groups, and education officials to focus on prevention in addition to enforcement. Julie Shamash lost her son to a fentanyl overdose 4 years ago.
Kids need to hear it from more than one source. They need to hear it from their parents. They need to hear from pediatricians. They need to hear from schools starting when they're young that you never take any drugs that aren't prescribed to you and aren't from a pharmacy.
We don't have the perfect solution to say that absolutely these drugs that you're purchasing over the street are going to be safe. And I think Chief Moore also indicated that they're finding so many of the pills contaminated with lethal doses of fentanyl that it's frankly frightening to think that those would have been circulating.
Enforcement definitely has a role, but when we depend on enforcement as the only solution, we have failed already.
LAPD Chief Michael Moore called fentanyl the #1 drug problem in America and shared that the LAPD has seized 1.4 million fentanyl pills just this year. 4 out of every 10 pills is a fatal dose.
The continued efforts of seeking alternatives to identify those involved in narcotic distribution has resulted in less levers for law enforcement to use. What previously would have allowed us to make an arrest for a felony count and perhaps hang something over a street dealer or even a second-level dealer, court time, potential prison time, drug courts, those have been really moved aside and are no longer in existence, certainly to the level they were 5 or 10 years ago.
So it's not clear whether everyone on this working group is in agreement that less enforcement is the answer, but the whole point of this approach is to share ideas and pursue what works.
Hello, I'm Mark Brown. Get more great ABC7 content by clicking the subscribe button for our YouTube channel and download the ABC7 Los Angeles streaming app on Fire TV, Android TV, Apple TV, and Roku to watch on your TV.